my channel. If you missed it, we have been living full-time in our RV for the last 9 months. Surprise, we have settled down. If you want to know a little bit more about how this all kind of happened, go over to our vlog channel. I'll leave the video in the description below. Today I wanted to give you a quick little empty house tour to show you the before and maybe a couple ideas of what I envision for the future. Okay, so this is going to be a very echoey video because there is no furniture, there is nothing in here, so forgive the echo. So when you first come in, there is a front entry, and this is a 2,500 square foot house, which some people live in 4,000 square feet, so this might seem small. Some people live in 1,000 square feet, it might seem big. Coming from 350 square feet, we look at this and think this is massive. We are going to try to stay very minimal, and I'm going to bring you along this year on how I decorate it, make it feel homey, make it feel cute and comfortable without having as much stuff in here as you could fit. So when we walk in, we walk straight into the living room. I am not sure how we're going to lay out the furniture because it has some different angles and walls. But long-term vision, I dream that this wall will be gone. And so that way our kitchen and our living room can be one cohesive room and make it feel a lot bigger, a lot more spacious. And then furniture would have to reconfigure depending on that. Not sure when this will happen. This is a pipe dream. So then a big draw to this house that we fell in love with was the finishings that they had picked. We love the baseboards. I'm obsessed with the main flooring that they picked. And the walls are nice and neutral. So we hopefully, if the budget fits, that we are going to paint the whole house. So that will make it feel very fresh and clean and new. Surprise, surprise, Alex is probably gonna be picking white. Okay, so we'll come back to the other side of the house. We're gonna start with this side because there was a big, huge draw that helped me really fall in love with this house. So we walk into the master bedroom and it is pretty dark. So we're definitely gonna fix that with paint. They picked different flooring from the main flooring. I love the main flooring a lot better. We'll probably put in a nice big rug in here, and with the new paint and a couple of different light fixtures, it's going to feel so fresh, so new. And I love that the windows go to the outside. Every window that I can see outside is like my favorite part of this house. But this might be my all-time favorite part of the house. When I envisioned going into labor, I imagined being in the kitchen, and I imagined being in this bathroom. I just feel like it is just such a selling point. People say bathrooms and kitchens sell homes, and it is kind of true. The fact that I can have a full bathtub, it's one of those where it goes like extra deep, so you can sit in there and actually feel like you're actually covered, which I don't think we've ever had. And this shower, oh my gosh, this shower is so scrumptious. If you, I mean, this is probably exactly what I would pick. The black and the white, the two different textures, the small texture on the floor, that, oh, it's so yummy. I love it. I'll be in here, I'll see you later. So we really wanted a fixer-upper because I am picky and I love the projects and I wanted to pick every item. And so when we found a house that already had a lot of the items that I probably would choose a similar option, that was a huge plus. And then when we were doing the budget, for us to fix up a house in this market to look to this level, it was gonna end up costing us more to try to flip it. So that's not saying there aren't amazing deals that someone could find and fix up their own house, but for us, this actually ended up being more cost effective to have one that was pretty much move-in ready. Everything we want to do is very, very cosmetic. This mirror, guys, I'm like, oh, it's so beautiful. I love this lighting. However, the yellow and trying to get ready in yellow might have to change. So in here, we've got our own private little toilet area, which is very nice. So this is our walk-in closet. We've never had a walk-in closet. I'm not sure how it's gonna all fit with it being on a corner, but we're gonna try to stay more minimal. Okay, so back for the entrance, that is the master area. I love it. We're gonna walk on down here and enter into never had a stationary spot to put office stuff. So this is probably Philip's favorite room. Anyone who has an office, I just want you to be thankful that you have an office, because it is a luxury. It is a huge luxury. We have an office, you guys. An office. So heading down the hallway, we could pick all the different rooms, but we're gonna go into one of my other favorite rooms. We're gonna go into the kitchen. So this is our kitchen, and as strange enough as it is, I imagine going into labor leaning on this counter. And so I felt like, this is home, right? If I can imagine laboring in the kitchen, this is home. So right now, this is our pantry, our cabinets, a dishwasher. We haven't had a dishwasher in 9 months. That's amazing. There is no microwave. We have lived 9 months without a microwave. If you want me to do a video how to survive without a microwave, leave it in the comments below. I love it. It is not for everybody, but I love it. So I will teach you my ways. Envisioning in my mind, at first I thought maybe I should cut off this top wall and have it open to the living room. Dream world is that even though I love this, I would take out this L and put in an island about here and have this huge counter space for all of us to do our schoolwork, cooking together, just a big, huge island. I do really love open to the whole family room. So that's pipe dream. That would be a big deal, but I can see it, I can envision it, so maybe one day it'll happen. Also the backsplash is not my favorite. This is a project I know Philip can do pretty, I want to say easily, but we're going to take down that backsplash and put on some subway tile. So I always imagine maybe like a butcher block or marble countertop. I actually really love this concrete countertop. I think because it's black, I just really like it. I don't know how to care for it yet. I don't think there's a lot to it, but my girlfriend has concrete countertops and I love them. So these are amazing. And the fridge. Guys, right now our fridge is about yay big. Are you ready? This is a spaceship. This is not a refrigerator, this is a spaceship. This spaceship is so nice. I feel so privileged and so lucky to have something like this. We're gonna do some clean with me's because this fridge is going to stay nice and clean and spotless. I say that now. I say that now. And here's my favorite part. Most of the fridges have like those big drawers where you put the freezer down. This one actually has where you can actually look at your freezer stuff from straight on. There's drawers, which is amazing. It's like shelving versus kind of when you drop it down into the ones that pull out, sometimes I feel like it gets lost in the abyss. And we don't want lost food. We want to know what's in here. We want to know. We put it in there, we did it on purpose. Let's know our food. I think I might just stay here because this is probably one of my favorite parts of the house because I loved RV living. I think God really blessed me and changed my heart and was like, you're ready to move on, because now all of a sudden I no longer want to be in the RV. I want to be in the house and I'm so excited. The biggest reason is freezer meals I want to do, have breakfast ready for the week. I used to cook a lot in bulk, and I don't know if I shared that a lot with you guys over on the vlog channel over here. I know I didn't share it with you that much at all. I like to cook in bulk, and I will show you how it makes it so much easier when you don't love cooking. Hi, my name is Alex, and I am a recovering, not liking to cook person. I like to feed my family healthy, and I don't love to cook. So I'm going to show you this year my freezer, fridge, all of my meal prep that goes into this lovely, lovely rocket ship. I think this light fixture was made perfectly for my stance, but one of the big things is to change light fixtures. It can make your room look a lot more modern, change it to whatever style you want. So this will probably go by. But this is our dining room. This is plenty for the 5 of us. We are used to living in an RV. We literally shuffle into our seats. So this is awesome, this is amazing. And I'm curious what table I'm gonna pick. We will see. Okay, so leaving the kitchen, walking straight across, we have our lovely, dandy, tiny, but so cute powder room. Powder room. Who has a powder room? Apparently we do. You shuffle on in. You do your thing. to splash the water outside of the tiny little sink. And you say, thank you for having me. I am so glad you provided this toilet. All right, moving on to, I feel so privileged. I just keep walking around this house and thinking, I feel so privileged. I know most people live in houses in California. Usually most people our age are living in a condo. Having a laundry room versus a laundry closet, again, is a luxury. Welcome to our luxury laundry room. So we literally moved in today. So these bad boys are going to be running because I have not done laundry yet. And we're going to do some big old loads in this. It's very nice, very nice. And this is technically a mud room because you come in from the garage. You come in from the garage, which we cannot fit the truck in here. We'll come in through our car garage, be able to come in here, take our boots off. I mean, this is so awesome. I can't get over it. This is crazy. This is awesome. Welcome, guys. Welcome to our house. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. We own a house. Oh my gosh. This is day one. Bear with us. It's very new. A house? Really? Okay, let's go. Okay, so down the rest of the hallway is to two of the bedrooms. Probably what will be the girls' room on one side, and we will have a guest room on the other. Baby girl will stay in our room for probably quite some time. So we might decorate the guest room in a baby nursery way. We might not, we're not sure yet. You'll just have to stick around and I'll show you tours as things happen. But let's go check out the girls' room. So this is the girls' room. Again, we'll probably be painting everything really white and bright, making it feel bigger and spacious. I saw that when we toured, before we bought, they had bunk beds and they fit perfectly in this little nook right here. And so the girls will be able to have their bunk bed still. They love their bunk beds, so they're very excited about that. And then we'll be able to put like maybe a little table in here. And then they'll be able to share this nice large closet, because right now their closet's like this big. So leaving the girls' room, we have an identical room, pretty identical, across the way, and as well as a bathroom. So into the bathroom, they will be able to have their own little space and be able to have all of their stuff in here. I kind of really want to change this room up. When I say change the room up, it's about adding splashes of paint and texture and wall hangings, and it can really transform a room on almost a zero budget. Anyways, this bathroom's gonna be very cute, probably pretty different when we're done with it. So leaving the bathroom, leaving the linen closet, we're entering into the other bedroom. So all of the guests and all the friends that are watching this video, you guys know that this is one of the rooms you could possibly be staying in. These aren't ginormous rooms, so I'm not gonna be putting any king size bed in here, but it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect for us. So these stairs are one of the things that we are gonna have to change. We don't know if we're gonna rip it out and just put solid carpet in. I'm also thinking of putting in a runner of carpet over top. It's just strange enough, these stair noses aren't flush with the actual flooring. So when you walk on this with bare feet, it actually hurts. The stair nose and the flooring are not flush. And they're not the same color either. It's very strange. I don't know what to say other than it looks like leftover material that they just put together. That's my guess. But I do love the handrail. I love the black. I think it's beautiful. I just imagine carpet because I want the kids and anybody to come stay with us and myself carrying a baby to be able to walk up and down these stairs without feeling like anybody is gonna fall. So I know carpet can get dirty, but I don't care. I don't want anyone to slip. So coming up the stairs, they finished off this part of the upstairs to be a room. So this will be the actual guest room, the more permanent guest room when baby girl takes the room downstairs. That is the biggest reason we want to put carpet. We want guests to be able to stay up here and be able to run downstairs to the bathroom, because that's the closest bathroom, without falling in the middle of the night. Let's not have any accidents in this house. I'm winded. I feel winded. Okay, so we walk down this way. the stairs. So this is the bonus room. I know most people in most states, it's a normal thing to have a bonus room. I feel like as a Californian, or at least in the area I was, I don't know a lot of bonus rooms. So this is like the biggest blessing, privilege. This is what we wanted. Okay, girls, come here. Do you know what this room is going to be? No. This is your school room. So imagine this. We're going to put on these bookshelves, we're going to put all of your school stuff, your crafts, all of the things that we do together and we play. We're going to put that on there. We're going to have a table right here. So then we can do all of our work together. Mommy might have a little desk and Mommy can get some work done while you're doing some stuff. We can do all of our school and Daddy will probably be in the office downstairs and be very happy that he is far away from us, huh? Yeah, so I love the skylights in this room. I love the natural light. I want to always feel like I'm outside. That was one of the big draws to the RV life that we loved, was always being outside. But this is probably going to be the school room, the bonus room. We'll see. We'll see what transformation this grandiose bonus room has to offer. So the best part, I keep saying things are the best part, but this is actually the reason why we bought this house. The house is great, house is nice, house is awesome, right? You guys like it, but we did not buy the house to be inside. We bought it to be outside. So this is the reason that we bought this property. We have a vast, flat-ish area, which is hard to find in Tennessee, of what we've looked at. This is the absolute dream. Like, this is literally our homesteader's dream. We are going to bring you guys along this year and show you how to become homesteaders, if you will, coming from beginners and novice. So if you guys don't know what you're doing and you want to learn, this year is all about learning. We are going to hopefully have a garden, possibly chickens. I don't want to commit to anything yet. I definitely don't want to commit. If you guys want to learn how to homestead, starting from the very bottom as a beginner, welcome. That will be us this year. We possibly want to have a garden, possibly have chickens. Keyword possibly in all of these, because I'm not promising anything. We're not sure exactly what we want. We've got a lot of things coming with baby girl, so we will see. I kept telling Philip, I can't describe it. I want the back of our property to slope up instead of going down into the abyss. That's exactly what we've got. We've got a hill that goes up the back. It's beautiful. All of these trees. I mean, it's stunning. It's beautiful. This is our oasis. This is our dream. Thank you guys so much for watching our empty house tour. Hopefully you guys liked it. Give today's video a big, huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.